There's so much to see here. I feel like I've looked at before. Can I lead on the way back so I can see the view?
I thought I was going to lead on the way back.
I thought we agreed I could lead as I know the way to the National Rail Museum.
Oh yeah, good point. Lead the way, Thomas.
You don't know the way. You got lost last time you were on the mainland. You sound like one of the trucks that I took. Meanwhile, back on Sodor.
Oliver, hurry up! We are going to be late.
Shut up, Scrappy. I'm not in the mood for your jokes.
Oh dear little Ollie. Is it because you're stuck on the stupid island? What and you want to run back and see our holiday?
Don't listen to him, Mr. Oliver.
No, Toad, Scruffy's right. Thomas, James, and Percy get to go to the mainland, while I do all their work. Why don't I get to go to the mainland? I'm as important as them, and then Bill decides to crash into a tree.
Hello, Oliver. Is it dinner?
No, it's not. I have been doing jobs all day, no break, no rest.
Poor you. Sorry, my passenger train waits. Goodbye. Oh no! These engines on. Let's go fast. Railway's gone on holiday.
Come on, Mike. We need to hurry up, or Duck will leave without our passengers. Remember, all engines are rushed off their wheels.
All right, let's go fast.
Ah, my head just fell off.
Cows on the line. Slow down, Mike.
What cow? Oh, that cow. Oh, what cow? Right!
Honestly, this is a terrible.
Thomas, are we there yet?
You sound like one of the trucks that I took to the mainland. Thomas, is that you? Theo, it's so nice to see you. And you too. I'm delivering some metal to Bricklington. And who are your friends? Oh, I remember the red one. Isn't his name James? That's me. He saved you from the steelworks. And who's the green engine? That's Percy.
Hello, Theo. Very nice to meet you.
So I have to go. Also, where are you going? Oh, we're going to the National Rail Museum. The Wax Museum. Never mind, Theo. I'll try and come and see you at the steelworks on our way back. Bye, Thomas. Look, I can see the National Rail Museum. Look ahead, the home of the Mallard, Flying Scotsman and loads more. And it's all just down the line.